Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulaika Salsabila, NPM 2411101, class 24A. I will explain unlocking your leadership potential, a journey of growth. Leadership is a conventional journey, not a fictitious title. This presentation maps a practical pathway to develop influence, decision, and team-focused mindset. Expects research-backed concept, actionable practice, and reflections from you can use immediately. Will move from defining leadership to building habits that create lasting impact. What is leadership? Really? Beyond the title, leadership is ability to mobilize people toward a search purpose in combined strategies, clarity with everyday behaviors, modeling values, enabling others, and making decisions under uncertainty. This provide authority. Leadership earns commitment. Great leaders confer direction into momentum by aligning purpose, priorities, and people. Purpose defines why the team exists and what success look like. Earn it through consistent transparency and competence. Executive turning plans into measurable progress through clear ownership. The core pillars of effective leadership. The pillar consistently differentiate effective leaders' visions, direction, and future stand. Clarity, communication, how ideas are shared and understood, and empathy, the ability to understand and respond to people. Mastering each pillar helps you design cultures where people feel seen, understand priorities, and move confidently toward common goals. Vision craft a conscious, inspiring statement of where your head connect daily work to a large outcome and cascade into goals and metric. Communication and empathy. Make communication two-way. Listen first. Clarify often use empathy to interpret choice, resolve conflict, and tailor support to people can thrive. Leading with emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence ensure leadership. It includes self-awareness, self-regulation, social awareness, and relationship management. Leaders with high EQ read the room, regulate reactions, and create psychological safety. These skills help you diffuse tension, sustain motivation, and coach others through uncertainty. Self-awareness, recognize your strengths and blind spots. The seek feedback regularly. The self-regulation, pause before acting, choose response that align with long-term goals. Social awareness, notice emotional in others, adapt communication to text and need. Relationship management, build trust through consistency, clear expectation, and meaningful recognition. Building high-performing teams for collaboration to empowerment. High-performing teams combine complementary skill, clear roles, mutual accountability, and a culture that encourage ideas sharing, empowerment, shift decision making closer to work. Leaders set boundaries, the remove obstructions, and coach the result learning, stronger ownership and sustainable research, psychological safety, encourage questions and dissent without penalty to creatively can surface, distribute ownership, define decision right, the choose people to act within them, shared metrics alike on we view leading metrics to focus effort and measure progress. Navigating challenge, resilience, and adaptability in leadership. Resilience leads leaders persist through setbacks. Adaptability lets them change course when new performance arrives. Combine both by preparing contingency plans, maintaining clear priorities, and practicing rapid learning cycle. Resilient leadership normalize failure as data and identify and reframe feedback into experiments that inform the next step. Apply the loop to crisis. Anticipate risks, respond with calm, decipher the document lesson to incorporate them into future planning. The art of feedback growing through constructive conversation. Feedback is the engine of development when delivered with clarity and care. Effective feedback focus on specific behavior, their impact, and clear next step. Pair candidates with empathy as permission, describe observation, share impact, invite perspective. The co-create and action plan make feedback routine, frequent, brief, and forward-looking. As a listeners, try by inviting the author's view to avoid defensiveness and build mutual understanding. Be specific, describes the behavior and observable example, not personality traits. Co-create next step, agree on measurable action and check-in dates to support progress. Inspiring innovation, fostering creatively and forward thinking. Leaders accelerate innovation by creating both constraints and freedom. Set a clear problem and success criteria. The follow terms to explore multiple approach rapidly. Encourage diverse perspective to lower intelligence risks and reward learnings as much as outcome. Institutionalize experiment with short cycle, measure hypothesis and shape failure threshold. ID diversity, rapid experiment, celebrate learning. Your leadership legacy, making a lasting impact. Legacy is the sum of the system, people, and norms you leave behind. Invest in talent development, document practice, the word and design institution that outlast any individual. Leader's legacy, invisible in empowered successor, share values and a culture that continually renews in self-development and inclusion. Okay, that's all presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.